Peri Peri General Manager, Mr. Dino Francisco. Up next, our Group Director for Business Development, Mr. Gilbert Tolentino. Last but not the least, our building lessor, Dr. Peter Edapor. Alright everyone, I will need your participation for the countdown. Sabay-sabay po tayo. We're about to cut the ribbon for Shakey's and Peri Peri here in Laonglaan. And we want you all to join in the excitement. Sabay-sabay po tayong bibilang from 3 to 1. Everybody, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, Shakey's and Peri Laonglaan is now officially open. Picture taking na po muna. Alright, thank you so much once again. Shakey's and Peri Laonglaan is now officially open. Alright, may I invite everybody to please proceed inside the store.
So far, let's fill this empty space. Hey, come with me. Let's all go to Shakey's.
Ayan, photo opportunity daw po with Mayor before po siya magbigay ng kanyang special message for our opening. Please hold the placards daw po. And double time, mabilis ang picture taking. Let's go everybody, say wow! Thank you so much. Peri Peri naman daw po, Peri Peri. Peri Peri, sir.
Bango apa rin? Halo inasal. 1+1 daw. Dito kayo. Umuusok pa. Yun, oh.
Alright, we are honored to have with us today a true champion of community progress and local development. He is joining me in warmly welcoming the City of Manila, Honorable Mayor Yorme Isko Moreno.
In the city of Manila, well, I am grateful to the Shakis family and Periperi for continued support and believing in the city of Manila. You know, Manila is a huge market. There are about 1.9 million nighttime population and 3 million daytime. There is always a business for everyone in Manila. No? And I'm happy. Ito dati atrasado itong lugar na to, pero ninyo ngayon ang ganda-ganda. I'm happy for the property owners, the businesses, and most of all, I'm happy ito in line with our program and priorities. I'm a believer of MBN, or what you call minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. It's always like that. Doon lang iikot ang buhay, gastusin, at pagpupuhunan ng inyong pamahalang lungsod. And for us to have jobs to be made available for our businesses to come in, we liberalize our rules in acquiring permits. Mas madali. Dapat baligtarin natin ang mundo. I did it in my first term, pero nabago ulit. But anyway, moving on, we brought back the same policy where in those 3 years, hundreds of billions every year going in Manila from the private sectors. Now, we are doing the same thing na kung saan dati-rati kasi yung gobyerno ng Maynila walang tiwala sa negosyante kung sila ba'y nagtatapat at nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanilang mga idineklara. Kaya yung mga negosyante 3 buwan na, 4 na buwan na hindi pa nakakapagbukas ng negosyo. Wherein now it's different. We trust first the business that they stated the true nature of their investment and the industry. And we give permit so that they can operate already. And we check later on. Ha? Kailangan baliktad kung gusto tayo pagkatiwalaan ng tao, tayo muna magtiwala sa tao. Dapat gano'n ang gobyerno. Now, look around. Ito, kayo na testigo. This is a two business in one corner alone. Look how many jobs that was made because of this business. And more so, syempre, special mention lang yung mga lolo't lola ko. At saka yung ating mga PWD. Ulitin ko ha. Ibig sabihin, galingan nyo. Now, I'm really happy that we're giving second win for our seniors. I'm really happy making more or giving more value to our PWDs as part of the society. In a normal setting, malaking bagay yan. Kaya dapat itong shaky saka peri-peri mabasa ng ulan. Para dumami pa sila. Basta to the Shakey's family, the peri-peri group of companies, they're always welcome in Manila. In our own little way, magbubuti naman kami bilang gobyerno. Magbubuti kami. Ipilitin namin maging episyente at maging maayos, maliwalas. I'm always telling this, yes, Manila is old. While we're old, we have a lot of history. And the least thing that we can do as government is to make it pleasant. Maliwalas ang lungsod at payapa, panatag ang pamumuhay. And with that, more jobs, more opportunity, then maraming komersyo. At lahat yan, nakaimbudo. At the end of the day, nakaimbudo yan. Bakit? Uuwi lahat sa gobyerno yan. And more resources later on, then services will be provided. So talaga yung ikot at inog ng salapi, lalong bibilis, or what you call the velocity of money. More businesses, more jobs, later on, more sources for the national and local government. So today, congratulations. So mga ano naman, mga trabahante, ito naman ang pakiusap. Ipagmalasakit nyo yung pagkakataon mo. Pagmalasakitan nyo yung negosyo. Yung inyong sarili, of course, yung pamilya, pero hindi naman siguro masama na lingunin natin yung mga taong nagbigay sa atin ng opportunity. The more you excel from your field of undertaking, the more that they're going to succeed. And when they succeed, more businesses for the city and more jobs again. So talagang wala yan. It's a snowball. It's a snowball. Yeah. Mag-iikot yan. Bago bumagsak ang snow sa baba, malaking-malaki na. Yan gugulong ang muling kagalingan ng ating lungsod. So together, private sectors, the public, government, if we work hand in hand, if we work together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At pagpalain nawa kayo na ang pong magkapal. Sabay-sabay. Manila! God first! God first. Thank you.